Hey yo, what's going on guys? It's right. How you doing? Welcome to my channel. So basically today we're gonna be doing a review for the Oraimo power bank that I got like 10 months, 11 months ago, because basically I saw some comments on my previous video about the review about the power bank, and I decided to do another video for this particular power bank after utilizing it for like 10-11 months. So from the first comments that I got, the person was asking literally if the power bank is still working perfectly well. Well, the answer to that is yes, it's still working perfectly well. Everything is still working well, the light, everything, and it's still very good. The second comment actually was asking me that thanks for previewing the power bank. After using it for about 2 months, what are the pros and cons? How many times do you charge your phone with it before it runs out? How bright is the light? Is it too heavy to carry along in the shoulder bag and blah 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 and stuff like that? So basically the pros and cons is that you could charge it with multiple means of charging. Like you could charge it with your Type-C charger, you could tap with your lightning cable for the iPhone, you could charge it with an Android charger. So it has 3 inputs for charging. The disadvantage there is that the outputs are only one, which is USB. If you want to charge your phone, they gotta be a USB enabled blah blah blah. The disadvantage is that stuff is heavy, right? If I'm lifting it up, you can see how my muscles are literally like growing out so strong. It is really heavy, I'm telling you the truth. If I'm going out with if I'm going to a party, I'm going for an outing with friends, I don't take this power bank because it's too heavy. Like it's like an extra stress. If I'm going for an outing that requires me taking my bag, I'm saying, not my purse or my handbag, I don't take this power bank because it's too heavy. I have another power bank by the side that's some little power bank I use that's also strong, you understand? But you can't compare the baby power bank with this monster. This Oraimo power bank is a monster. It's very strong, trust me. I've been using it for the past 10-11 months. You can go check my other YouTube video because I did a review about the power bank, so you can see it's not a lie. It's still the same power bank in the previous video. Check the description for more information about the power bank. If you are using this particular Oraimo power bank, tell me what you think about it in the comment section. And as for those people that are thinking whether they should buy it or not, yes, get it. It's very strong, but I already told you the advantages and the disadvantages, so whatever choice you make is up to you. If you've learned something, make sure you guys smash the subscribe button, also hit the like button as well, and drop a comment in the comment section. Alright guys, peace out. See ya.